Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. China has ordered Apple to remove Bitchat, Jack Dorsey's decentralized messaging app, from its App Store. The Cyberspace Administration of China issued the directive on April 5th under regulations requiring security assessments for apps with social mobilization capabilities. Bitchat operates entirely over Bluetooth and mesh networks without internet connectivity, making it critical during government-imposed blackouts in Madagascar, Uganda, Iran, and Indonesia. The app has surpassed 3 million downloads globally, marking the second time Chinese authorities have targeted a Dorsey-backed decentralized application after banning Damus in 2023. Bitcoin is currently trading at $68,228, struggling above the $70,000 resistance level. The cryptocurrency briefly rallied Monday following reports of potential US-Iran ceasefire talks, but momentum faded as Iran rejected proposals. President Trump set a Tuesday night deadline for Iran to accept a deal, threatening military action if negotiations fail. Oil prices remain elevated near $115 per barrel, adding inflationary pressure that weighs on risk assets. The SEC is close to releasing its regulation crypto proposal, according to Chair Paul Atkins. Speaking at Vanderbilt University on April 6th, Atkins confirmed the proposal is currently before the White House Office of Information and Regulatory Affairs. The regulation will focus on fundraising and startup exemptions under the Securities Act of 1933, providing much-needed clarity for the industry. Atkins also announced plans to release an innovation exemption designed to allow startups to experiment within a regulatory framework. Strategy resumed its Bitcoin buying streak with a $330 million acquisition of 4,871 Bitcoin last week at an average price of $67,718 per coin. The company now holds 766,970 Bitcoin, representing approximately 3.8% of circulating supply. Despite the continued accumulation, Strategy reported $14.5 billion in unrealized losses during the first quarter, as Bitcoin fell approximately 23% during the period. Chaos Labs, a key risk manager for the Aave protocol, has announced its departure after 3 years. The firm cited fundamental misalignment in risk management strategy and unsustainable economics. The exit follows similar departures by BGD Labs and Aave Company's initiative in recent months, raising concerns about structural issues within Aave's DAO regarding coordination and incentive structures. Anthropic signed a multi-gigawatt compute deal with Google and Broadcom, intensifying competition with Bitcoin miners for scarce energy resources. The AI infrastructure build-out represents one of the largest sources of new electricity demand in the United States. Evidence includes Core Scientific converting mining capacity to AI hosting and multiple miners selling Bitcoin from treasuries last week. However, Bitcoin's network hash rate continues hitting record levels above 1 zettahash per second. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.